How can you manage your postmenopausal facial hair naturally? Let's talk about it. The increase in testosterone in postmenopause causes stimulation of facial hair. Low postmenopausal estrogen levels leads to lower sex hormone binding globulin, which frees up natural testosterone from adrenal androgens. Testosterone has to be converted to dihydrotestosterone to stimulate facial hair growth. Thankfully, there's ways to help lower the testosterone as well as dihydrotestosterone conversion naturally. Number one is saw palmetto. It's an herb that is usually used for men's enlarged prostates, but it's very effective for hyperandrogenism in women. Saw palmetto extract is taken orally at a dose of 80 to 160 milligrams a day to reduce testosterone conversion to dihydrotestosterone and reduce the stimulation of facial hair. Number two, bioidentical estrogen, particularly estradiol, can help to raise sex hormone binding globulin, which will bind circulating testosterone, leaving very little free to convert to dihydrotestosterone, and that will help to prevent postmenopausal facial hair. Number three, always use progesterone when you're taking estrogen, and more importantly, using GenPro topically directly on the facial hair follicles can help to block dihydrotestosterone and eventually destroy those follicles. I recommend GenPro because it's the bioidentical progesterone that I've used with my patients for over 30 years. Just a minuscule amount of cream placed topically at the base of the facial hair will help to suppress and eradicate postmenopausal facial hair over 4 to 6 weeks. Number four, supporting your hypothalamus nutraceutically with Genesis Gold will help to reduce your circulating androgens that stimulate facial hair growth in the first place and balance out your sex hormones naturally. If you have any questions, please join us in our Hormone Reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.